Good morning, Solid Rock Ministries. We're so excited that you're here for service today. Now check out this week's update.
On April 28th, right here at 2:30 p.m., we are starting our new youth program, 1418. If you're between the ages of 14 and 18, it's perfect for you to come down and get a message that's relevant and that will speak right to your heart. So come and join us on April 28th.
Baptism. Baptism is happening on April 21st down at Keoho Bay. It's going to be a really exciting day, awesome time. We're going to get some people baptized, and we're going to make it a family fun day as well. So bring a dish to share. It's going to start at 1:30 p.m. down at Keoho Bay. You can sign up if you want to be baptized out at the Connect table outside. Fill out the form. Let us know that you want to be baptized, and we'll see you that day, April 21st, 1:30 p.m.
Small groups is coming up real soon here at Solid Rock Ministries. It's a chance for you to build relationship and learn more about God and dig into His Word and go a little bit deeper than maybe what we do on Sundays. And it's going to be an awesome time to really build relationships in the church. And so stay tuned. It's coming up real soon for more information. That's it for this week, Solid Rock. We're so glad that you're here joining us. Have a great service. We'll see you next week.